When you work with objects in Python, copying them is trickier than it looks. In this video we will explore assignment, shallow copy and deep copy and see exactly what each one does in memory. Python gives you 3 levels of copying. Assignment just adds a new label to the same box. Shallow copy makes a new box but reuses the items inside. Deep copy makes a brand new box with brand new items all the way down. Here is the program we will trace. We start with a list that contains 2 inner lists, then we make 3 copies using different techniques, mutate one inner list and print all 4 to see what changed. Line 3 creates our original list. Line 5, the assignment, does not make a copy at all. Alias and original now point to the exact same object in memory. There is only one list. Copy.copy creates a new outer list, but both it and original still share the same inner lists. Copy.deepcopy creates completely independent objects at every level. When we append 99 to the first inner list, alias and shallow both show the change, deep copy does not. Running the program confirms everything we traced. Original, alias, and shallow all show the 99 because they share the inner list. Deep copy stayed exactly as it was, fully independent. The golden rule equals never copies. For a one-level duplicate, use copy.copy. For a fully independent clone, use copy.deepcopy. Knowing which one you need will save you from surprising bugs when your data is nested.